Hello, nail art fans and budding nail artists. Please subscribe my channel. Welcome to a comprehensive exploration of the fascinating realm of nail art. In this extensive video, we are going to take you an heartfelt journey filled with creativity, techniques, and inspirations that will leave you amazed. Whether you are a seasoned nail pro looking to level up or a passionate nail art lover ready to dive into this video your ticket to the colorful world of the nail art. Health is a crucial and will guide you on how to care of your nail properly. Tips and tricks for preparing and keeping your nails in great shape to make them the perfect canvas. We will also address some common nail issues and how to handle them with care. So, the arty techniques. It's time to get hands on with various nail art techniques from beginner to more advanced. We will walk you through these techniques step by step with demonstrations for stamping, marbling, ombre, and more. Achieve interactive designs with precision as we break it down for you. Exploring styles. Get ready to be inspired as we explore a variety of nail art styles from classic to avant-garde. So we'll dive into minimalist, vintage, floral, and abstract designs, making sure you are all set for different occasions and seasons. So please subscribe my channel. What's an artist without their tools? We'll take a deep into the tools and accessories that will take your nail art to next level. Nail brush, dotting tools, and nail tabs. So we'll cover it all. Plus, we will introduce you to some innovations, so products and how to use them, pro tips and clever hacks. I think ever face challenges with your nail art, we have got expert advice to tackle those issues. Discover tips and tricks that will ensure your nail art is impeccable every single time. Get ready to personalize your designs and truly make them your own. So, turning passions into business. If you dream of turning your passions into a career, we have got you covered. So, learn about starting and running a successful nail art business, marketing strategies, client management, and staying update on industry trends. It's all here. So let's get inspired. Get ready for a burst of creativity. We have got a showcase of stunning nail art designs that will leave you in awe. Hear the stories and inspirations behind these incredible creations. Get inspired to expand your creative horizons and try new ideas. Hands-on tutorials. Ready to get your hands into actions, or should say polished. Following along with hands-on tutorials of popular nail art designs, experienced nail artists will guide you through step by step. By the end, you will be able to recreate stunning nail art on your own. So, community and challenges. Join the nail art community and participate in exciting challenges. Connect the follow enthusiasts, share your creations, and be part of supportive and creative network. So, wrapping up, let's recap the fantastic journey we have been on. Feel confident and empowered in your nail artistry skills. So, please subscribe my channel for more videos.